In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome Guide. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu icon. From there, move your cursor to the Passwords and Autofill option. A side menu will appear. In that menu, click Google Password Manager. Once you are in Google Password Manager, you will see a list of saved accounts and websites. If you already know the website you want to remove, use the search bar to quickly find it. If you prefer, you can also scroll through the list manually until you find the correct website entry. When you find the website, click on that entry to open its saved details. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity before showing or changing password information. You may need to enter your computer password or your PIN to continue. After verification, look for the Delete button. Click it to remove the saved password from Google Chrome. Once deleted, Chrome will no longer autofill that login information for the selected website. Take a moment to double-check that you selected the correct website before deleting anything, especially if you have several similar entries saved. That covers everything you need to know.